everyone, this is Seva from Weekend. Today we are going to talk about the different type of milling cutter and how to choose the right milling tools. Milling cutters are important to any milling process because these tools are attached to a milling machine to remove and cut the materials into different shapes of mechanical parts. The different shapes of size cutters are used for various purposes to achieve the different type of design. Here are the common milling tool types. First, let's talking about the end mill cutters. End mills are those tools had cutting teeth at one end as well as its size. It can use as a roughening and cleaning the angles, finishing the side planes and horizontal planes. Look at these milling cutters. The end of cutters is hemispherical. We call it ball cutters. It's ideal for machining the 3D contour shapes, for example, in molds and dies. There is another type of milling cutter called torus cutters. Its head surface is not as curved as the ball cutters, but only a small curvature, while the bottom maintains a features of the end mill. It's able to machine the flat workpieces as well as the small angle curved surface. Milling tooling requires precision and careful selection of the right types to attain the best possible result. The milling depth and width determine the size of milling cutters, but the different structures, surface finishes, precisions need to use the different type of milling tools. It is recommended to consult a specialist for professional advice. At Weekends, we have a team of experts for all your manufacturing needs. With 20 years of machining experience, our engineers will choose the right mill cutters for all your machine parts. You are confident to get the high qualities and standard products. So if you have more questions, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.